Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create dynamic titles with the help of DAX functions, and also we'll be using title function to change the titles dynamically as per the slicer selections. I'm going to take country now as a slicer, and as we know, so whatever the value we are selecting here, this value will be shown on the other visuals. Let's say I have taken a table, and if you see, we show the values I'm selecting. So those values I'm able to see now. I want to show it on the title. So we know this is the title. On the formatting pane, I came onto the title. So now here I'm mentioning selected countries. So this is the title I'm able to see, but I still want to see which are the selected countries of mine. First, I will show you for the single selection. So let's say I'm just making it selected country, right? So selected country, I'm just able to see so what I have written here on the title text, but I am unable to see so whichever I selected, right? So now I'm going to do it for the single selection. So it will be going to show selected country semicolon Canada, right? So let's say how we'll be doing. So with the help of DAX, I'll be showing you now. So I'm going to create a measure. So let's say title. I'm just creating title 1 equal to, I'm using concatenation of this with the selected country. So first I'm pausing selected country. So and then I'm concatenating the value. I'm using single ampersand to concatenate the strings. So we can use concatenate function as well. So I'm just using ampersand symbol to concatenate strings. Now I'm using selected value function so that whichever the value that I selected on the slicer will be resulted here. I'm just closing the function and executing. Now if you see, we have written this. So now I'm just putting it on a table. So if you see selected country Canada, so now you are able to see when I selected multiples, so it is not showing because it results in blank when we are selecting multiples. For that we'll be working later. So with the showing multiple selections. Now for the single selection, I'm just going on to the title. Here we have fx button, so which can be called as function button. So I'm clicking on this and I'm taking field value, and the field value would be title which we created, and then I'm selecting OK. So now if you see, when I select Canada, selected country Canada, so this is the result that we are able to get. So if you want to give a space here, just give a space on this and execute it. So now you see we are able to get our requirement, right? Now as we have here, when we are selecting blanks, right, or else when we have a multiple selections, it's going blank. So for that, what we can do is, let's say I'm writing it as a variable selected country equal to this. I'm just returning if is blank. As we know, if we are selecting more than one, with the help of selected value, that goes blank. So if selected country blank, then result in multiple selections. multiple countries selected, else I'm going to result in the concatenation of both. I'm closing this. Now if you see what I'm selected, but I'm nothing selected, as we know that it is going to result in blank. So now if you see the title, it is showing as multiple countries selected. When I'm selecting Canada, it is showing selected country Canada. If I'm selecting more than one country, it is showing multiple countries selected, right? That's one of the requirements. So by using this, we can able to do that. So now my requirement is that if I select two countries, so let's say Canada and France, it should show selected countries Canada and France. If I'm selecting more than two, it should show multiple countries selected. So that's my requirement. So let's do it again. So for showing concatenation, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use concatenatex function to concatenate multiple values whichever we selected on the basis of selection. So I'm just creating title2 equal to concatenatex function, and I'm going to use values function because I'm going to select the distinct countries. So I'm going to take only distinct value of each country, and then I'm selecting again country column. So because I'll be concatenating the country column itself within the values of country column with comma separated, and then I'm closing. So now if you see, so what our title2 will be resulting in. So now if you see, it is resulting in every value concatenated with the help of comma separated. If I select two of the values, it is showing Canada, France. If I select three values, it is showing three values separated with comma. Now our requirement is we should only have two values, not more than two countries. If we are selecting more than two countries, it should show multiple selections. So let's do that. So I'm going on to the title2. What I'll be doing is I'll just use straight if condition. If the distinct count of country is greater than 2, then I'm going to result in multiple countries selected. If it is not greater than 2, I'm just concatenating those values with comma separated. Or let's say I want it to be unseparated. I'm just pausing this and executing this now. So let's see now, if you see here, so now we are able to see it has been selected more than 2, so because of which it is resulting in multiple countries selected. If I select only two countries, now if you see Canada and France, it's giving only Canada and France now. This is how we can achieve dynamic titles with the help of concatenatex function and selected value function by using conditional statements. Hope you like this video. Tune into our channel to get more videos like this. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.